Hi, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chipping hammer from a bicycle pedal. So this is part of a bicycle pedal that comes off. So this will be one side of the hammer. We're going to polish that part and we're going to add another one on this side. So just going to cut that similar size to this. Once we've done that, so we have this piece that is going to go in from this other end, but for it to be better balanced, I have this small piece that we're just going to insert it like that. Then we are going to weld it on top of that other piece. So I think we start by welding this one in place. So the first part is done, and I'm going to use the old chipping hammer that I had just to get this off. Then I'm going to brush it off, brush off the slug, clean it up. Then we are going to put another layer of welding steel so that it's strong enough. So now we are going to attach this part to this part so that our hammer looks like so. So again, we are going to weld around that so that it stays strong enough. So let's clamp this, let's clamp it on this end like that. Then we are going to weld it here. Once you've done that, again we clean off the slug. So that we can put a second layer of welding. And then now what remains now is just to polish off these parts, just to grind them off. And finally we are going to grind this part and that part so that we can now have our chipping hammer complete. So now let's see whether our chipping hammer works. And as you can see, our chipping hammer is very effective. All the slug comes off and it's not heavy. It's quite a good chipping hammer. And finally, of course, you brush it off. There you have it. So now you can create your own chipping hammer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.